What better way to kick off the new year with some delicious lemon ricotta cookies topped with an easy lemon glaze. These cookies are light and soft in texture and bursting with bright lemon flavor. Get ready for a treat.
Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome back. My name is Daniel, here to show you simplified recipes that are easy to follow using common ingredients. If you're new to this channel, remember to hit subscribe and that notification bell for more delicious recipes that your friends and family will love. Today, I'm going to kick the year off with my lemon ricotta cookies. These cookies are so special, so lemony, and so delicious. They're soft and light on the inside, and they have this beautiful lemon glaze on top that just adds something extra special to these cookies. Let's get right into it.
Start with preparing the lemon by zesting and juicing it. I'm using half a lemon today for a more subtle flavor, but you can use a full lemon or even more if you want it stronger. You should end up with at least 1 tablespoon of zest and juice each, which will be used in both the cookies and the glaze. In a separate bowl, combine 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of fine salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk the dry ingredients together and set it aside. In a large mixing bowl, you'll need 1/4 cup of softened butter to start. Add half of the lemon zest and 3/4 of a cup of white sugar to the butter. Cream everything together until pale and fluffy. It will start a little crumbly, but eventually get smoother as you continue to mix. Crack in 1 room temperature egg and add in half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. You'll also want to add in half of the lemon juice you squeezed earlier. For me, that's about half a tablespoon, but if you want to use more for a stronger lemon flavor, go right ahead. Whisk all of these ingredients together until very well combined. It should look pale yellow in color, curdling just a little from the butter reacting with the lemon juice. Add in the dry ingredients and stir everything together until all the flour has disappeared into the dough. Use a spoon for this step because the mixture does get quite thick. Now you'll need 7½ ounces of ricotta cheese. Break it up beforehand with a spoon so it folds in easier. Add the ricotta cheese into the cookie dough and gently fold it all in until everything is just combined. With a cookie scoop or tablespoon, evenly scoop the cookies onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. I got about a dozen fairly large cookies from this batch. Now they're ready to bake. Bake the cookies in a preheated 350° Fahrenheit oven for around 15 minutes or until they are pale on top and just starting to get golden on the edges and bottom. Adjust the baking time based on the size of your cookies. You know they're done when they are still soft to the touch when you lightly press the center. Let them cool for several minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. In the meantime, make the lemon glaze by combining half a cup of powdered sugar with the remaining lemon zest and lemon juice. Slowly add in the liquid in stages and make sure you continue to stir until it is all absorbed before you add more in. You only need a few teaspoons here because you want the glaze to be movable but thick. Otherwise, it will run right off your cookies. You can also use part water if you find the lemon flavor too strong, and make double the amount of glaze if you want more glaze. Spoon the lemon glaze over the cooled cookies, allowing it to drip down the sides. Then, add some sprinkles or shredded coconut on top to decorate while the glaze is still wet. This is optional, of course. Allow the icing to set and harden before serving. And there you have it, soft and pillowy lemon ricotta cookies with a delicious lemon glaze. These cookies are really simple and easy to make, but so satisfying. They are perfect as a light dessert or snack and pairs beautifully with afternoon tea. Hope you enjoy!
All right, everyone, it is time for the taste test. Really excited. Lemon ricotta cookies. Here goes the first bite. Oh my God. It's so soft. Oh. It's unbelievable, the texture of these cookies. These are so good. They're not too sweet, they're just perfect. Has that lemony flavor that just comes through. Just a hint of it. Not too strong of a lemon flavor because that's not what I was going for. Of course, if you love lemon, use even more lemon. But that lemon glaze on top just gives it that extra little touch that it needs. The cookie itself is so soft and delicious, and the texture really comes from that ricotta cheese. You can't taste the cheese at all, but it really gives that texture to it that is just so soft and similar almost to like my Japanese cheesecake. I don't know if you've seen that recipe, but you should go check that one out. I think it's perfect. Of course, if you like it sweeter, just add more sugar into it. But as you know, I prefer to keep things a little bit healthier, and I just like to reduce sugar whenever I can. They look really pretty too if you put some sprinkles on top or sprinkle a little bit of desiccated coconut. These are so easy to make. These cookies whip up really fast as well, and they're gonna be so popular with your friends and family. I really hope you try this recipe out because they are really so delicious. And as always, if you like this recipe, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what kind of cookie you want me to try next. And remember to hit subscribe and that notification bell for more delicious recipes. I will see everyone soon. Till next time, bye everyone.